Hi everyone. Okay, today we're going to get a drone to catch the view of this piece of place from above. Yeah. So let's see what are they up to.
Head crabs from Half-Life.
Yeah. So if you play Half-Life, you will know that there's this crab stuck on somebody's head.
You play Half-Life?
Yeah, she plays Half-Life.
What? You play Half-Life? Yeah! This bugger don't even know what Half-Life is.
What?
I know it's a game, right?
Okay, how about Left 4 Dead?
It's like
Yeah.
he's the grandfather of all games. Yeah, let's go. Oh, it's going up. Let's not get hit by this. Okay, bye bye. Yeah, so we are using the drone to capture the condominium, while it's under construction. Yeah. Okay, the drone is going up, everyone. It's going all the way up. Yeah. And we are using it to capture an aerial view of the condo, Foresta. So suddenly the wind is very strong. Yeah, we're on the hilltop right now. So somewhere there in front of us is a drone. We just cannot see it.
That small spot. Okay.
Let's welcome the drone back, everybody. Where is it? Okay, cool.